Hey everyone, and I'm really glad that you're here. Welcome. My name is Dave Payerchin, and I buy houses all over Columbus, Ohio. I buy houses all over Central Ohio, and I buy houses all over the great state of Ohio. I have been here buying houses for over 14 years, and there's really no situation that I have not personally helped people with and purchased their house, regardless of what it is they're going through. I work with homeowners who are simply relocating to a different property. I work with homeowners maybe dealing with some type of probate or inheritance property. I work with homeowners who maybe have code violations or a divorce situation or a foreclosure situation. Really, there's no situation whatsoever. Fire damaged properties. Really, there's nothing that I personally haven't seen over the past 14 plus years. And I'm very confident, regardless of what you have going on, I will be able to make you an offer on your property anywhere in Ohio. And I do look forward to speaking with you about that. Now, what makes me different is there's never going to be any pressure, right? Even if we can't work together, even if I'm not the right buyer or you're not the right seller for me, we're still, me personally, myself and my team, we're still, our core values are we're still going to help you out regardless of whether we can buy your house or not. We have a vast real estate network. And if we can help you, even if it means not buying your property, we're here to do that and at least point you in the right direction. There's never going to be any pressure whatsoever. So, on this channel, I'll be explaining how cash buyers work, how to avoid any pitfalls when you're selling your property to a cash buyer. I'll be talking about some repairs and things to do to your property if you so choose. I'll be talking about selling your property in its as is condition, and I'll really be talking about a lot of common mistakes that I have seen homeowners make over the past 14 plus years, and especially how we can avoid these mistakes. So, if you want to have a real convo, I would love that opportunity. You can pick up the phone and call or text at 614-300-5151. Once again, my name is Dave Payerchin. You can always visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. Or once again, our phone number here, 614-300-5151. I will speak to you personally. Even if you speak to someone on my team first, I make it a point to talk to every single person who contacts us. And I really look forward to this opportunity. So we're here to help you. If you have a property anywhere across Ohio that you want to sell, or at least get an offer on, or at least see what we can offer you, pick up the phone, give us a call, or visit us online. I look forward to speaking to you soon.